Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you what to do if your Alexa won't connect to the Wi-Fi. Now, I've currently muted it so it doesn't start responding to me. However, the first thing you want to try is checking whichever device you set up the Alexa on. This is currently an Alexa Pop, but it can be any Alexa. So we can scroll down here at the top, and you want to make sure you actually connect it to a Wi-Fi. Now, that leads you on to the second thing. Check the connection you're connected to. So if you change this connection, this can knacker up your Echo Pop or any Alexa. So go to the application, go to devices, choose the Alexa what you're having problems with. This is the Echo Pop here. And make sure, go to the settings here, and we can go to change or remove a Wi-Fi network. You can see this is currently the same. Network connection here that we're connected to. So that should be not the problem. If it wasn't, make sure that they match. So if that isn't the case, you'd need to go to devices, settings, change or remove, join another one. You'd have to press these buttons here to go into setup mode. So you get them both back on the same network again. Because if they're not, they will not interact with each other properly. And that's why Alexa won't connect to the Wi-Fi. They need to be both on the same connection. So hopefully them little tips helps you out, and that fixes when Alexa won't connect to the Wi-Fi. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.